Whether you're finishing a dish, roasting vegetables, or just dipping bread, a good bottle of extra virgin olive oil can make all the difference. With more home cooks paying closer attention to what goes into their meals, the demand for high-quality olive oils has grown, and not all are made the same. From the region they're sourced in to how they're processed, these differences show up in flavor, texture, and aroma. In this video, we're sharing our picks for the top 6 best extra virgin olive oils for 2026, plus what to know before choosing the right one. Product links are in the description below. Number 6. Pompeian Robust Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Pompeian has long been a familiar name in grocery store aisles, and for good reason. This is a brand that's built its reputation on being reliable, affordable, and accessible to everyday home cooks. Their robust extra virgin olive oil lives up to that reputation, offering a bold, full-bodied flavor that holds its own in cooked dishes without getting lost. If you prefer an olive oil with some strength, something that leaves a slightly peppery note at the back of your throat, this one fits the bill. It has a deep and intense flavor, making it especially useful for recipes where the oil isn't just a background ingredient. Think roasted potatoes, grilled zucchini, or a marinade for meat. It's also a good match for high-heat applications like sautéing, thanks to its ability to stay stable under temperature. The oil is made using olives sourced from select Mediterranean regions, then bottled in the USA. It's non-GMO project verified and carries the USDA Quality Monitored seal, which ensures it meets rigorous standards for taste and authenticity. Why it's in the 6th spot? It's reliable, it's affordable, and it performs well in the kitchen. That said, its bold flavor can be a bit much for lighter dishes, and it's not cold-pressed or single origin. But if you're looking for a solid everyday cooking oil, Pompeian Robust delivers where it counts. Number 5. Frankies 457 Extra Virgin Organic Olive Oil. Frankies 457 Extra Virgin Organic Olive Oil comes from the team behind the beloved Brooklyn restaurant of the same name. Known for their rustic Italian cooking and focus on quality ingredients, it's no surprise their house olive oil has built a loyal following among both chefs and home cooks. This bottle brings restaurant-level quality straight to your kitchen. The flavor profile is what makes this one stand out. It's fruity and well-rounded, with just a touch of bitterness and a gentle peppery finish. There's a noticeable complexity here, but it's not overpowering. That balance makes it a perfect finishing oil, something you drizzle over fresh pasta, warm focaccia, grilled artichokes, or roasted eggplant. It also shines in vinaigrettes and cold preparations, where the flavor can really come through. This oil is made from 100% organic Sicilian olives, cold-pressed, within hours of harvesting, which helps preserve both nutrients and taste. It's also unfiltered, giving it a slightly cloudy appearance and a more full-bodied mouthfeel. Why is it ranked 5th? It's a noticeable step up in complexity and craftsmanship compared to standard grocery store oils. That said, it's not always the easiest to find, and it carries a slightly higher price tag. Still, if you're looking for a flavorful finishing oil with serious kitchen credibility, this one's worth keeping on hand. Number 4. Cobram Estate California Select Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Cobram Estate may be rooted in Australia, but its California Select Extra Virgin Olive Oil has made a name for itself in the US as one of the freshest and most thoughtfully produced options on the market. Based in Northern California, the brand has a strong focus on quality and environmental responsibility, and it shows in the final product. The flavor leans bright and clean, with notes of fresh-cut grass, green apple, and a hint of almond on the finish. It's light enough for everyday use, but still complex enough to be noticed when drizzled over food. If you enjoy olive oils that are more delicate and fragrant rather than sharp or spicy, this one hits the mark. Best used as a finishing oil on salads, grilled seafood, or vegetable soups, it's also versatile enough for sautéing or baking. The olives are grown, harvested, and milled in California, with pressing typically done within 4 to 6 hours of picking, a key detail that helps lock in that fresh flavor. Why it's ranked 4th? This is a dependable, high-quality choice that's made domestically and priced fairly. The only reason it doesn't sit higher is its lighter, gentler profile, which might not suit those who prefer a more assertive or peppery kick. But for freshness and versatility, Cobram Estate is hard to beat. Number 3. Amazon Brand Mediterranean extra virgin olive oil. Amazon's entry into the extra virgin olive oil space comes in the form of its Mediterranean EVOO, and it delivers exactly what you'd expect from a house brand product: affordability, consistency, and practicality. For home cooks who go through a lot of olive oil or want to make the switch from generic vegetable oils, this is a strong step up without the premium price tag. The flavor is mild and buttery, with a soft, grassy aroma that makes it versatile across a wide range of dishes. It's not particularly complex or bold, but that's part of its appeal. This is the kind of oil that won't dominate your food. It blends in easily, offering just enough flavor to round things out. It's best used for everyday cooking, sautéing vegetables, roasting chicken, baking bread, or as a neutral base in salad dressings. If you're just starting to explore higher quality oils, this one feels like a safe, reliable place to begin. The oil is sourced from multiple countries, often a blend of olives from Spain, Greece, and Italy, which helps maintain consistency in flavor and supply. It's bottled in a simple, sturdy container with a secure twist cap lid. Nothing fancy, but it gets the job done. Why it's number 3. It brings a solid balance of price and performance, especially for those who use olive oil daily. The trade-off is that it lacks the depth and distinct character you'd find in a single origin oil. Still, for a dependable all-purpose EVOO that won't stretch your grocery budget, it's a great pick. Number 2. Atlas Organic Cold Press Extra Virgin Olive Oil. Atlas Organic Cold Press. Extra virgin olive oil has been quietly building a global fan base, and it's easy to see why. Produced in Morocco, this single-estate oil delivers both in terms of flavor and presentation, making it a favorite for food lovers who want something a little more special in their pantry. The flavor is floral and slightly nutty, with a buttery richness that gives way to a clean, peppery finish. It's layered without being overwhelming, which makes it an excellent choice for finishing dishes where the oil stands front and center. A drizzle on hummus, lentils, roasted carrots, or even vanilla ice cream creates a subtle, aromatic lift that sets the dish apart. Atlas is made from 100% Moroccan olives, harvested and cold-pressed within just hours, preserving the oil's structure and nutrients. It's also fully certified organic, non-GMO, kosher, and gluten-free, which adds confidence for buyers who value transparency and standards. The bottle matches the product's premium nature, a matte black glass container with gold embossing. It's not just attractive, it's functional too, as the dark glass protects the oil from light degradation. Harvested from a single estate, every bottle is traceable, giving it a sense of origin that's missing from many mass-market blends. Why it earns the second spot? It combines elevated taste, traceable sourcing, and high-quality production standards, making it a great option for home cooks who want more than just an everyday oil. It also makes an excellent gift thanks to its presentation. The only downside? It can be harder to find in traditional grocery stores, and the premium pricing reflects the care that goes into every bottle. Number 1. EVOO Drinking Extra Virgin Olive Oil. At the top of the list is a product that goes beyond the kitchen. EVOO Drinking Extra Virgin Olive Oil is crafted specifically for those who use olive oil as part of their daily health routine, not just for cooking. Whether taken by the spoonful each morning or used to finish nutrient-packed meals, this oil is all about purity, potency, and purpose. The flavor is unmistakably bold. It opens with a grassy green note, followed by a pungent, peppery finish that lingers at the back of the throat, a signature trait of high polyphenol oils. While it may feel intense to some, that strength is exactly what appeals to users looking for a functional, antioxidant-rich EVOO. Sourced from a high-altitude Mediterranean grove, the olives are hand-picked and cold-pressed shortly after harvest. The oil boasts a polyphenol content exceeding 900 mmol, which is far above the average, and that's what gives it its bite and its health benefits. It's packaged in a premium glass bottle with a tight seal and portion control spout, which is ideal for users who take it straight by the spoon. The clean design also protects the oil from oxidation and light, keeping it fresher for longer. Why it's number 1? This oil stands in a category of its own. It's designed for wellness, with a level of care and concentration that's rarely seen in standard supermarket EVOOs. That said, the intensity of flavor won't suit everyone, and the price reflects its specialized production. But for those who want one of the purest extra virgin olive oils available, it's hard to top. That wraps up our list of the top 6 extra virgin olive oils for 2026. Whether you're cooking, finishing, or just taking a spoonful each morning, there's something here for every kind of kitchen. If any of these oils caught your attention, you'll find product links in the description below. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, feel free to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical picks. See you in the next one.